Namaskar. Hello, dear friends. Hi, if you could just tell me if you can hear me, please. Hi, am I audible? Can you hear me? If yes, then if you could please comment in the box below, please. Hi, can you hear me, please? If I'm audible, could you please comment in the box below? Yes or no is what I'd like to know. Yes, thank you, Ms. Khanna. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in. Right, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Just a few more moments before I begin. Hi Tavleen, this is Shruti here. Hi Minnie. Hello everyone and welcome to this Facebook Live. Just give me a few moments more before I begin so that everyone can join in. Hi Sunena. Hi Ashna. Thanks Mridula. Thank you and thank you so much for joining on today's live. Hi Nandita, welcome. Hi Ritu. Thank you so much for being here everyone. For all those who don't know me, I'm Shruti. I like to call myself a seeker in the journey of life because I believe there's so much for each one of us to learn. And we just can't call ourselves master by whatever little we know. The only thing I do, yes, is to share whatever little knowledge I have and hope I can bring changes in the lives of others. Hi Pratibha, namaskar, welcome. Thank you so much and a very, very happy Mother's Day to each one of you. Happy Mother's Day, Kaveri. And thank you so much for taking out time on this special day, having fed your families quick dinners, early dinner, and joining me here. So thank you so much. Thank you, Lena. Thank you so much for joining me here. And if I do fumble or make a mistake, please forgive me. This is my very first live. Thanks to Mridula that I'm here. One very wise lady once told me that to err is human, and I follow her policy completely. If I make a mistake, I say sorry, because she said, even God hasn't made the perfect man. Had he made the perfect man, the population wouldn't have been growing like it is. So even he's still trying, he's still erring. So if God can err, why can't we? So that's your first lesson for the day. And so is it. This is something that I have followed religiously always. Happy Mother's Day, Kaveri. And Mridula and I go a long way back. For all those who don't know me, I and Mridula have been friends for almost close to 15 years now, though I had not begun my spiritual journey then. We were just friends together, husbands were together, working together, so we got to know each other and we started doing events together. And the most interesting thing is we hosted this event a long time ago called Say It With Flowers, where we did work with colors and chakras. And believe me, I had no idea when I say what chakras and colors were in those days. And we also happened to create tarot. Mridula was doing a little bit of tarot by then, but it was still very, very new. And we created this beautiful floral tarot for our theme party. In fact, I'm going to show you the cards. We created some beautiful cards without actually knowing where life was taking us. So I guess this is where we were meant to be, and that's why I'm here with you all today. And 2 years ago, when Mridula started Footprints, she asked me to join her, which was a huge honor for me. I never thought I was capable of mentoring anyone, let alone being a part of such a big page. But then life did change, and thanks to her, I'm here with all of you. So all I can say is I have a whole lot of gratitude from Mridula. That is all. And I can never stop saying thank you so much for everything, Mridula. It wouldn't have been possible without you. And anybody and everybody who makes gratitude their mantra of life is sure to succeed. There is a very beautiful story related to gratitude, which I'd like to share with all of you. I don't know, some of you may have already heard it. Our friends on our groups in Farishte, I don't know whether I've shared it there in one of the earlier groups in Dhyana. This is about this little bird who was very, very sick and almost had lost all its feathers, no food to eat, there was a dry, dead tree on which it used to sit, and time was passing by, and it suddenly happened to see an angel passing by. Hello, Mom, Dad. Oh, my parents have also joined in, so it's a big Mother's Day gift for me. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. And I owe a lot to my dad also, because he's a retired brigadier from the army, but after retiring, he did his astrology, and maybe I got the genes from there. So thank you, Dad. And yes, sorry, let me get back to the story. And so this bird is very sick, and it sees an angel passing by and asks the angel, where are you going? The angel says, I'm going to visit the God. Says, can you do me a favor? Can you please ask the God when you meet him what is in store for me? Why? Because I'm suffering so much, so I want to know what is happening in my life. So the Lord says, all right. The angel says, all right, and goes up to the Lord and says, Lord, I met this bird and he's very, very sick. So what's going to happen? What's the future that's in store for this bird? The God says, not only this bird, for the next 7 birds, he's going to suffer like this. That's his karma. So the angel feels very bad and says, what can I do? I don't want to convey a message which sounds so bad to him. So what do I say? The God says, tell him that, start saying, thank you, God, for everything. Just chant this. So the angel goes back with the message to the bird and tells the bird, you can keep chanting, thank you, God, for everything. And the bird starts doing so, and the angel goes off. 7 days later, the angel is passing by and is very, very surprised to see a healthy, happy bird. There's a little pond that's come. The tree, which was dead and drying, has turned green, and the bird's looking very happy and healthy. So he wondered what happened. He asked the bird, what happened? He said, I don't know. You just told me to say thank you, God, for everything. And that's what I continued doing. And so the angel goes back to the Lord and says, what happened? Why the magic? Lord says, the magic lies in saying thank you, God, for everything, in showing gratitude for everything you have in life. And that, because the bird chanted it so religiously, what he would have not achieved in 7 births without being grateful, he achieved in 7 days. So if you want to make the change, then all you need to do is show gratitude. Hi Sona, hello Poonam, thank you for joining in. And so gratitude can take you wherever you want to go. So now I'll tell you 2 little things that you must do to improve upon your life. Start journaling gratitude. Every night, if you make it a point before sleeping to write 3 things that you're grateful for. It could be as small as the AC in your room, or as big as the promotion that you've just received or the raise in the salary. Just write it down. And I want you to write it down. And there's another reason behind it. Do you remember when your kids got you those little cards which said, I love you, mama, or I love you, daddy, with drawings which actually would put Picasso to feel ashamed of drawing itself, with a little crooked flower, a crooked house, one stick representing you, one stick representing the father, the child, but you still found it so beautiful, and some of you treasure it even to date. Why? Because the emotions that the child's hand conveyed through the crayons onto the paper is what you felt, and that's exactly what you want God to receive. You want Him to receive the emotions of gratitude. So start writing the thank you, gratitude every day. Start journaling and see miracles happen in your life. Another beautiful way to remember gratitude is you can pick up a small pebble from the, in case you can't go out these days, maybe a bangle, a keychain, and make it your symbol for gratitude. So every time you put your hand into your pocket and it strikes the keychain, say thank you God for everything. Or if you're digging into your purse, keep it there and your hand strikes it while you're looking for a hanky or taking out money from your wallet, say thank you God for everything, and see how beautifully your life changes with gratitude. This is one of the most amazing things and miracles can happen with just simple small things like these. Gratitude can do that. It can raise your vibrations, and in times of corona, when things are so difficult to come by and everybody's feeling down and out, you need to keep your vibrations going high. So how do you do that? Show gratitude. Another way to raise your vibrations is to have a lot of positivity around you. And all mothers can contribute immensely to the vibrations of the family by raising them while cooking food. You can खाना बनाते हुए आप अच्छा सा music, because this is something that even my grandmother used to say actually. रोटी बनाते हुए जो आप सोचते हो ना, वो जो खाना खाते हैं उन सबको वह ख्याल आ जाते हैं. And now you hear, whether it's the Shivani or Sadhguru or anybody who says keep your vibes high, how just follow the old Indian traditional way of doing things. In fact, in those days the mandirs were in the kitchen. Why? Because it would raise the vibrations. You can't do that. You have a cook cooking the food, no problem. Just play some nice music which will help raise the vibrations, and see how it brings about a lot of change in your family, how the family starts feeling happy. You'll feel the change. You'll feel the bonding improve. You can raise the vibration of water. Water is very, very essential, and it has a beautiful memory, and it is all scientifically proven. Water carries a lot of memory and a lot of goodness in it. You can raise the vibrations of water just by drawing a swastik on the container that you store water in, or on your water filter, or on the bottles that you store water in the fridge. Just draw a swastik and see the vibrations change. Every time you're drinking water, just say thank you, or just remember your Isht, your God, whoever you pray to. Just say Om Sai and have your glass of water outside. All the negative vibrations will go away. And vibrations of water have memory, and it can also help you manifest. And I'll tell you a beautiful way to manifest with water, and it does work wonders. Take 2 glass tumblers, कांच के ग्लास लीजिए, उसमें पानी रखिए, 1 ग्लास में पानी डालिएगा, बट पहले आप 2 पोस्ट-इट लीजिए, बिकॉज विल स्टिक ऑन द ग्लास. अगर नहीं है तो टेप से लगा देना. एक पे आप लिखो जो आपकी प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन है, व्हाट यू वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ, समथिंग दैट यू want to avoid. Suppose you're going through a bad phase, lack of money, so you write lack of money on that, and on the other slip write abundance of money. So एक ग्लास पे वो लिखिए और उसको पोस्ट कर दीजिए, स्टिक कर दीजिए, और दूसरे ग्लास पे abundance of money स्टिक कर दीजिए, and pour water into the glass which has the negative thought written, or what you want to change, and from that pick up the glass, pour water into the other glass which has the positive thing written, and then drink that water. Now this water you have manifested with the positivity, believing that you've already received the abundance of money. आपको ये सोचना है, like what we do in affirmations, we believe that we have already received the goodness that we are asking for. If I want to receive good health, I believe when I say an affirmation, I believe that I say, yes, thank you God for giving me this good health, even if I may be sick. So similarly, that glass says, thank you God for the abundance of the financial abundance you bestowed on me, and drink that water and see how it creates magic in your life. These are very small things, very doable things. You don't have to worry. It just works like magic, and see it change in you, bring a change in your life. And all of you who are here today will also come across a lot of things like retrograde happening in the next few days, because there's a retrograde happening tomorrow, there's a retrograde happening in the next 3-4 days. So you need not worry. All you need to do, what is retrograde actually? So let me tell you a little why I'm bringing this up, because next 3-4 days is so much retrograde going to happen with the planets. If you remember the last time Mridula was here, she mentioned about Pluto going into retrograde. That was towards the end of April. Retrograde is when the planet does not, उसको बोलते हैं उल्टी चाल, लेकिन वो सचमुच उल्टी चाल नहीं चलता है, वो अपनी स्पीड स्लो कर देता है, and it appears to be going backwards. So we believe that it's going back to all the things that's left behind. So actually it doesn't, how can it happen? You know, the whole universe system doesn't work like that, right? It has to continue. It can slow down. So that's all that happens. In retrograde, the planet slows down, which means it gives you time to think and ponder, to revisit, to go back to your past and see what changes, where you went wrong, and what you can do to improve on that. Tomorrow is the 11th of May, and we have Saturn going into retrograde. So Saturn says, rethink your priorities, your long-term goals. If you have already taken some decisions, just think them through carefully. If you can't retrieve them, doesn't matter, because now is the time for you to prepare for the consequences then. Things may slow down a little, so just prepare yourself. And on the 13th, it's Venus that will go into retrograde, which means Venus is the planet of money and love. Remember, men are from Mars and women are from Venus, because it's talking about love. So it's about relationships. So if you feel there's a little imbalance in your relationship, kuch khatpat chal rahi hai, don't worry. Just rethink where you're going wrong. It's not about breakups, it's about rethinking. Or if somebody's going to get married, then you can just rethink. Just think it through properly. I don't say stop the marriage, but just think it through. If you are a spendthrift, then check where you're going to spend your money. Just be a little careful where finances is concerned, is what Venus is warning about when it goes into retrograde. On the 14th of May, Jupiter will go into retrograde. See, the inner planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Mars, they affect our day-to-day lives. The outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Pluto affect long-term. So Jupiter is the planet of adventure, of philosophy, of calm. So what it's telling you is to slow down a little, rethink, stop being over boisterous. वैसे तो लॉकडाउन ने ये सब कुछ हमें दे दिया. You can't really go and party too much, but think rationally, rediscover yourself. It's great for going into spirituality. It's telling you to re-choose your path and listen to your intuitions. The universe is saying step back, slow down, and think your relationships, your value systems, everything through once again. That's all it means by retrograde. Don't let it bother you. Don't let it disturb you. And you're going to see a lot of posts coming up which will say retrograde, retrograde, retrograde. So just be careful of that. Hello, Mrs. Darival. Welcome. Hi, Rachna. Happy Mother's Day to you too. Hi, Shinu. Lovely to have you here. And now we move on to the other aspect that I'm here for today, which it is called the Moksha Patam. Do you know that the snakes and ladder actually originated in India? Yes, in the Vedic times, they created a snakes and ladder with the moral, to teach children moral values. In the 13th century, Gyandev created this so that they could teach the good and the bad while playing games. And then the British came and they took it abroad and called it the Snakes and Ladder, and the values slowly started vanishing, and only the snakes and the ladders were left along with the boxes and numbers. So actually, I'm sure very few knew that the Snakes and Ladder originated here. It was called the Mokshapatam in those days, and it is a divination tool. It tells you about your soul journey. Unlike the tarot or other prediction tools which tell you about your future and what you're going to do. Hi Neeti, can you hear me now? Okay, I'll lower the volume. Is it better now? Yeah, is that better now, Neeti? So the Mokshapatam is about your soul journey. It will tell you what is moksha. Moksha is something each of us desires to attain. That's why we walk the path of spirituality. It will free us from the cycle of rebirth. That is why we do the moksha. We do all that we do, in fact, in spiritual, whether we pray or what. Is it better now? Okay, so I was talking about the Mokshapatam and trying to tell you that the Mokshapatam traces your soul journey. Hi Mannath. I think I need to wear my specs to know. Yeah, hi Mannath. I got it right. Alright, so the Mokshapatam helps you trace your soul journey. It's not about predictions. It will tell you where you are going wrong and what you need to rectify. And I shall, though it's done a little differently, but I have channeled and hope to do it for you today in this quick time. So we shall be doing, I will take you through a short meditation now and ask you to choose numbers between 1 and 72. And when we get back, give me the number that you have received from after your meditation, and then I'll tell you what it has to say for you. For all those who would like for a longer soul journey, the actual soul journey to be traced, can get in touch with me. And my number is 844-731-9027. All right, Minnie? Yes. And now I will ask you to kindly close your eyes and let me to lead you through this quick meditation so that we can make a connection with our souls before we go to the Mokshapatam. Close your eyes, relax, breathe deeply and activate your senses. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Inhale, feeling relaxed and experience all the sensations that your body is going through. Slowly exhale and start floating along the timeline of your life. Go back to a younger you, 20 years back. How did you look then? How did you feel then? A little further back to your teenage years. And slowly back to when you were 10 years of age. Continue going back to your birth. And now slowly find your way back to your soul level, the place where you were before your birth, before the womb. See the light. This is where you can communicate with your higher self. You are in a spiritual dimension now, the place of unlimited awareness. Observe whatever you're experiencing right now. You sense a presence that is pure and beautiful. It is most intelligent. The presence of your spirit, of your higher self. Allow for a moment of stillness with your higher self. Connect and learn. Seek permission to check your soul journey, to find out what you need to improve on, what it wants you to work on. Notice every detail and quality about the soul that you're now interacting with. Ask for a number to connect, a number between 1 and 72. This is going to give you an insight about something that you need to know. So open up yourself and let it talk to you. Listen with an open mind, allowing anything into your mind that needs to present itself. This moment you're spending with your intuition is void of any kind of fear, because this is the soul. Listen carefully and closely and receive the message. Now slowly start coming back to your consciousness. Rub your palms together. Open your eyes and drink some water if you feel the need. I'm waiting for you. Like I told you, the Mokshapatam works a little differently than your regular divination tools. So you can ask me about yourself, your spouse, your children, but not about your relatives and friends, please, because we need permission from their souls to understand their soul journey. So now that you're here, yes, Kaveri, I shall just start. This is how I'm going to trace your soul, the message the soul has for you. The soul journey needs much more time. So, all right, Kaveri, just give me a second. All right. So, number 37 for Kaveri. Kaveri, 37, the message that your soul has for you is that you are in awareness, which is a lovely place to be in. Awareness means you have integrated wisdom into your life, but you need to be a little watchful and careful and learn to distinguish between the good and the bad. Sometimes maybe you're not able to distinguish that, so do that and your soul shall feel very, very blessed and you shall progress in your soul journey. Hi Poonam, you want 16. 16 is about jealousy. So which says that शायद अभी भी कहीं पर थोड़ा सा ईगो है, कहीं पर कुछ lack of self confidence भी है, उससे भी jealousy create होती है जब आपको लगता है कि बाकियों के पास सब कुछ है और मेरे पास नहीं है. So just work on this. थोड़ा सा अपने आप को और शांत करिए and believe me, you will find a change happening. Rima, your number is 24. 24 talks about you need to be a little careful. Rima, you need to be a little more aware of the company you're keeping. Maybe there's somebody around who is not too good an influence of you. So your soul wants to check that out because it's not letting you vibrate at a level you actually want to. You want to do something higher, the good company somewhere close, but somewhere you're getting a little disillusioned. So be careful. Don't let them overtake you. Okay, Jyotsna, number 31 for you. 31 is about sanctity, about purity and holy. So this is a beautiful place. You're in a beautiful plane. You're in the plane of the heart chakra. You're closing in on the heart chakra, but this is about balance. So you're almost there, and this is a very nice, beautiful spiritual time for you. You're going to attract a lot of masters into your life. Some guru is going to walk in and bring a lot of change in you. Rajni, this is 52. Okay, this is rolling up a little quickly. So Pratibha, you can just write again, please. Ritu. Okay, something seems to have gone wrong. Can you all see me? Okay, something's... Yeah, I'm back. I think Facebook has some time, this thing it wanted to know. All right. Yes, thank you, Mridula. Sorry, I missed that. Who was I talking about? If you could just post your numbers again, please. Yeah, Sonali, okay, I'll come back to you. I was talking about somebody. I'm sorry I missed you out. Could you just tell me? And I was talking about sanctity and purity and about masters coming into your life. Okay, Sunita Huda, you want 58 for your husband. Sunita, your husband is in a very good place, and he has a beautiful aura around him. He's vibrating at a very calm space, so he's doing good. He just needs to take in more spirituality, and there is no stopping. He's going to succeed and do very, very well in whatever your question is. He's going to succeed and do very well. He has it coming for him. Sonali Agarwal, yes. Okay, Sona, this is one for you. 63. So that's a good number to have. 63 is... you are moving away from darkness towards light, towards happiness, but somewhere you're suppressing your inner voice. Start listening to your inner voice. You're only busy doing what the outside world is asking you to do. You have the intellect and the wisdom, but you're not spending too much time on yourself. You're getting carried away by the people around you. You need to look within a little. Mini Chaudhary, 2. Mini, you are at the moment in a slightly illusionary world. So you need to break free from that. Not that illusions are bad. That leads to creativity as well. But sometimes too much of Maya, illusion means Maya, right? So अगर आपके जीवन में थोड़ा सा I me myself थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, get over that. Miss Khanna, you wanted 10, and 10 says purification. आपको थोड़ा सा कहीं पर और थोड़ी सी भक्ति की ज़रूरत है. कहीं पर you need to let go of things you're holding on to, which are making you feel weighed down, a little dull and drowsy. So work on that. You need to increase your vibrations. So maybe do some bhakti, maybe do some charity. You need to invest your time and energy somewhere else. Garima Talwar, 17 for you. 17 is about mercy. You're in a good space, and you have this intense feeling of mercy for everyone. You have high vibes, your work, and you're considerate and kind. So that's a nice place to be in. Mama, you wanted number 3. So this is, aap mein kis cheez ka gussa hai, mummy? You seem to be a little angry about something which is giving you acidity and heartburn. I thought your problem was only cough, but now we seem to be finding that you have heartburn and acidity problems too. So thoda sa apne root chakra pe kaam karo, mama. Ruchi Pramod, for you, number 45. 45 talks about knowledge, about growth, about understanding yourself. So your soul wants you to start now looking inwards and increasing your understanding about self and the universe. It's a guidance to go the spiritual way. Hi Shinu, no number, can't see you. Sorry, I didn't get that. Shinu, if you could just put your number. Yeah, if you could please. Hello? Am I not visible? Yeah, Manali Shah, 71 for you. All right, 71 is a lovely place to be in because you have reached a very high space in life. Your frequencies are doing very, very well. You're doing high, lots of action. Just calm down a little. Don't overdo it. Lots is happening. All good is happening. So calm down a little. Miss Khanna, I took that for you, number 10. Number 10 was about purification. So I told you need to spend a little more time trying to look into yourself and see where you're going wrong. There's something that you're still missing out on. Mridula, 69 for you. 69 is a lovely place to be in. You have achieved the absolute Mridula, which is so true for you. Extreme creativity, and you're living in truth. So I don't think you need to be asking questions over here, Mridula. You are blessed. Kanika Goyal, number 9 for you. Number 9 is a sensual plane, Kanika, which is जो काम, लोभ, मोह होता है, मोह माया होता है ना, वो सब है इधर. तो आपको थोड़ा सा अपना फोकस रेक्टिफाई करने की ज़रूरत है. मूव बियॉन्ड इनटू द मोस्ट स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड. Mona Seni, number 1 for your husband. Your husband is in for, there's something that's going to end and give him a lot of new beginnings are coming his way. There's rebirths, which means something nice is going to happen there. So do that. Anandita Arjun, 63 for you. 63 talks about darkness. So you're suppressing something inside you and not listening to your inner voice. So there's something you're missing out on. You're very intelligent, you are very wise, but you're so busy looking after the world around you that आप अपना काम भूल रहे हो. Swati Malik, 2 for you. 2 is about illusions, Swati. तो कहीं पर आप अपने dream world में खोए हुए हो. You need to get out of that. Shake yourself and start doing things a little more practically. 56, Shinu. All right, 56 talks about 56 is about good vibes, primal vibes. So you're very self-centered and you are almost there, but your ego is holding you back, my dear. So let go of your ego and the world shall be your playground. You're doing very, very well. Mridula, 68 for you. I thought you said 69. Sorry. You have achieved cosmic consciousness, Mridula. There is no ego, no huge changes coming your way because you are in the higher spiritual plane. आपका connection अब cosmic level पे है. You have gone beyond the crown chakra, so I have nothing to say there. You already know that. Neetal Raizada, 59. 59 is for reality check. Is reality, and you're at the crown chakra level, so you're doing very, very well, Neetal. Just keep focusing on you're wise, you're intelligent, but stop letting the external factors bother you. You're doing very well for yourself. Manali Shah and Ritu Tumana, I can see 71 for both of you. So let me see what 71 has to say. 71 is about you have achieved a lot and you're vibrating on high frequencies, but there seems to be a lot of action. So just calm down a little. Don't overdo it. Sometimes when you're doing very, very well, you tend to get egoistic. So that bothers you. So don't do that. Don't let ego get into the way and spoil all the goodness for you. Anandita Arjun at 63. 63 says that you have a little bit of darkness inside. Somewhere you're suppressing your inner voice and not listening to what you have to say. Pranika Ved at 20. All right. Pranika, you need to do some charity. आप सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, लेकिन थोड़ा सा दान पुण्य करो और उससे आपका जो लाइफ प्रोग्रेशन है वो हायर जाएगा, प्लीज़. Preeti Sekri, I'm not doing future predictions. I'm just telling you what your soul is asking you. Pratibha at Kandari, you want number 5. You're at the physical plane. आप अभी भूलोक पे हो और आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत करके आप अपने रूट चक्र पे काम करो. कहीं पर आपका रूट चक्र थोड़ा सा ब्लॉक्ड है. Start meditating on your root chakra and you will find the changes happening. Ritu Tivana, 71. 71 is about activity. I think I already told you that, Ritu. Nilima, there is no 76. Our numbers are only till 72. Parth Vedya, you want 64. 64 is a good place to be in. You're at the higher levels. Connect with nature a little more. And be subtle. आप कहीं पर बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, लेकिन you tend to brag about it a little. So थोड़ा सा अपने आप को काम करो, and you have beautiful qualities in you, and you're helping people out, so which is a very good thing. Manjot Man Singh, number 7 for you. Manjot Man Singh जी, आप कहीं पर अपने आप में ही मदहोश हैं. आप में थोड़ा सा कंसीट है, थोड़ा सा पावर का नशा है. थोड़ी सी आपको अपने इस पावर के नशे को कम करना होगा to progress further in life. मनजोत अमन सिंह जी, आपके लिए था, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा आपको अपने कंपनी चेंज करो, थोड़ा सा कुछ अच्छा करो and see how it changes. नीति अरोरा, number 8. नीति, you are full of pride and greed. So you have a lot of knowledge, Preeti. You seem to be so just introspect and see where you're going wrong. You have a lot of wisdom in you. So why are you not using that wisdom, Preeti? थोड़ा सा उसको चेक करो प्लीज़. Sneha Kanta 42. Sneha Kanta 42 says fire, which is beautiful. You're going into transformation. आपका कुछ bad phase जो है वो ख़त्म हो रहा है, and you're in for a higher spiritual growth. So let go of the old, create place for the new, and you'll do very, very well. Somebody had asked for her son. Sorry, it's gone. Can you repost? Yeah, 8 for your son, Neeti. Okay, Neeti, your son is, for some reason, he seems to have a lot of energy which he's not using. He has the knowledge, but he's not implementing it. So tell him to start implementing what he knows and make him concentrate a little more. You can do a few concentration exercises. And thank you so much, Minnie. That means a lot coming from you. And that shall help you. थोड़ा सा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन की ज़रूरत है. उसको पूछो आपके वो कहाँ उसको क्या गलत लग रहा है. Stuti 22 for your son. All right, 22 is dharma. So he needs, somewhere he's going a little off. He has to follow the path of righteousness. हमको सही करना है. There is no scope of going wrong in life. अगर हम गलती करते हैं तो उसका फल भुगतना पड़ता है. तो थोड़ा सा अपने बेटे को बोलिए, थोड़ा सा ठहराव के साथ काम करिए. Lavika 47 for you. 47 is about neutrality. There is purity and learning, Lavika. A lot of beauty and grace in you, which I'm aware of. So you need to meditate with wisdom. You can achieve a lot. It's your Kundalini is calling out to you and saying, just meditate a little and you'll find the changes. Mini Chaudhary, 2 is for your illusion. So कहीं पर वो एक make believe world में बैठे हुए हैं. You need to tell your husband to shake himself up, and he needs to work a little more, get out. Everything will work out, but he needs, उसके जो achieve करना चाहते हैं उसके लिए कर्म भी करना पड़ेगा. Ruchi Pramod Relhan 51 for your husband. 51 is the earth, which is a nice place to be in, and there are new possibilities coming his way. But he needs to be a little tolerant and patient. Rajni Singh 52. Rajni, कहीं पर आप के अंदर गुस्सा भरा हुआ है. You need to follow प्रेयर, भक्ति कीजिए ताकि आपके अंदर जो वो वायलेंस भरा हुआ है, किसी वजह से आप बहुत किसी से एंग्री बहुत ज़्यादा एंगर है आपके अंदर, तो थोड़ा सा उस पर काम करो. गेट ओवर दैट एंगर एंड देयर इज़ नो स्टॉपिंग बिकॉज यू हैव अचीव्ड अ लॉट. यू हैव रीच्ड वेरी हाई इन द प्लेन्स, सो यू डू दैट. Sumedha Sharma, there is no number 77 dear. The numbers are only till 72, so I can't. You need to change the number. Barinder Kaur, new beginnings for your husband at number 1. There is Genesis, which means rebirth. He's working hard, doing well, and new beginnings are in store for him. He'll be successful in whatever he wants. Nilima Agarwal 3. Stuti, I answered about your son at 22. Nilima 3, there is a lot of anger inside your husband for some reason. Nilima number 3 means a lot of anger, whether it was for you or for your husband, I don't remember, and which is causing acidity and bile inside. He's got a lot of pent up anger inside. Ask him to release that, and that will help him grow. Rakhi Bawa, आपका नंबर है 35. At 35 is purgatory. आपने अपने आप को कुछ बंधनों में, you have achieved a lot, लेकिन आप कहीं पर अपने आप को अपने attachments से बांधा हुआ है, और आप खुद ही अपने आप को आगे नहीं बढ़ने दे रहे हो. आपने अपने आप को पीछे बांध के रखा हुआ है. Just release yourself. आपने अपने आप को एक केज में रखा हुआ है, प्रीति. So you need to let go, and the sky is yours to fly in. Nilima Agarwal 30. Nilima 30 is a good place to be in. It's good that you're in the correct vibrations, lot of good and happiness happening your way. Go with the flow, everything's perfect, don't worry. Pratibha number 5. Pratibha, this is the plane of the Bhulok. तो आपको अपने रूट चक्रा पे काम करना है. थोड़ा सा अपना रूट चक्र ओपन कीजिए and you will see things change for you. Sudeshna Banerjee 52. Sudeshna at 52, you are अपने अंदर अपने बहुत सारा वायलेंस दबा के रखो. आप किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत गुस्सा हो, so you need to seek the path of spirituality, of devotion, Don't get angry with yourself or with anyone around you. It's not helping you. Mini Chaudhary, 2 for your eldest son. Mini, your son is living in a world of make-believe. Tell him he has to work hard to achieve success. Platter pe, it's very nice. He's dreaming. It's a very creative place to be in. But थोड़ी सी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. बिना मेहनत के सफलता नहीं मिलेगी. He needs to work hard. Sideshna, I just answered yours. Pratibha, 5. I did answer yours, Pratibha, I think, about the physical plane. Stuti, 45. 45. All right, Stuti, just a minute. 45 is about knowledge, Stuti. So you have the knowledge, you have the wisdom to understand yourself and move towards the higher planes, and that is what we all are doing, right? Preeti Sekri, 44 for your husband. Okay, 44 is, just a second please. Yeah, okay, 44 is ignorance. He's living in his own bodily needs. कुछ थोड़ा सा उनको अपनी awareness increase करने के लिए कुछ काम करना पड़ेगा. He has to put in effort to understand what is happening around him, to understand the people around him, and things will change for the better. Shubhank Mahajan, Shubhank Mahajan, 51. 51 is the plane of the earth, or new discoveries, good patterns, nature's with you. There are new possibilities happening, coming your way, but थोड़ा सा शांति से और सहनशीलता से काम कीजिए. Pratibha Kandari, 5. I told you, Pratibha, it is to do with the Bhulok. Be gentle and kind and work on your root chakra. All number 5, Vaishali, this goes for your husband also. He needs to work on the root chakra. Dipti Shah, all of you want number 5. You all need to work on your root chakra because that is the plane where it's the grounding that's required. So work on that. Simi Seni, 10 for your husband's health. Simi, I'm not doing readings for husband's health. I can tell you what he needs to do to grow higher. If you want number 10, it is about purification. उनको अपने अंदर से laziness निकालनी है, and जो dull, drowsy आदत है उनकी थोड़ा सा उनको वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा if he wants to. And then there is no stopping. He just needs to work on those things a little. Preeti, I think did I tell you 44 for your husband? Okay, I don't think I've done 44. So, okay, he's living in a world where he's not ready to acknowledge what is bothering him. He needs to increase his awareness and make efforts to understand the people around him. So, be careful. Barinder, number 3 for you. There's a lot of anger stored inside you, Barinder, for some reason. And you need to let go of that anger, which is giving you all kinds of acidity issues. So start meditating on your root chakra. Thank you so much. I think I have covered most of you. If there's anybody left, please do tell me. Raji Tandon, 29. All right, Raji Tandon, 29 for you. 29 is about irreligiosity, which means आप कहीं पर थोड़े से irreligious हो गए हैं, थोड़ा distract हो गए हैं religion से. You're going off the path, so you need to think hard. Don't work with blind faith. You need to know, when you have faith, you need to know why you have the faith. So work on that, and you'll do very well. Neeti Arora Kharbanda for your daughter, number 8. Okay, Neeti, your daughter has a lot of knowledge. She needs to introspect and start using that knowledge. For some reason, she is not able to utilize that knowledge. So tell her to do that. She'll do well. Amita Manhas, we are not calculating anything. You just need to look inwards and come up with a number that you think your soul has told you, and we are trying to trace what your soul has to say for you. Barinder Kaur, 13 for your daughter. 13 for your daughter. All right. 13 is about nullity. So stains, she's getting confused. So just let her be. Maybe she's doing too many things at one time, or she's not sure of what she has, what she wants to do. So let her just sit. Just tell her to sit 2 days, do nothing, sit in calmness, and just decide what she wants in her future. She's getting confused about that. Naman Malik, hi Naman, nice to see you here, बच्चे. Number 5, थोड़ा सा रूट चक्रा पे काम करेंगे, है ना? क्या सोच रहे हो इतना ज़्यादा? Sitting far away from mama, you're getting a little worried. We'll talk about it later, Naman. है ना? So start meditating and working on your root chakra and everything will be okay. Ruchi Pramod, 30 for your daughter. 30 is a good space to be in, good vibrations, everything nice happening, you're in harmony with everything around, so just continue the way you are. Kitty, 64 for you. 64 is a phenomenal place to be in, that's what the box says. Nature, connectivity, subtle good traits, everything is perfect. Don't worry, all your problems are left far behind. You're doing very, very well. Kaveri Mama, all great. Yes, all great, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you. I see a lot of synchronized numbers regularly. Does it mean at the soul level? Yes, that means your angels are around and trying to give you some indication about something that you want to do. Something that you've been asking for is coming your way. Now it will depend on what you have been asking for, my dear. Maya Alfred, 7. Maya Alfred, a little bit of conceit there, my dear, which means you're too full of yourself. You need to work on that. You're building castles in the air. Don't do that. It never helps. So seek good company, start working on yourself, and there'll be no stopping. Rakhi Bawa, 68 for my eldest son. 68. 68 is a beautiful place for your son to be in. He's a sensible boy. You need not worry about him. Huge changes coming in his life, and all for the better. Deepa Suri, 13 for you. 13. All right. Deepa, you need to just sit quietly in nullity for some time without doing anything. You need to be in a space where no distractions, because you're getting a little confused as to where you are. So just think it through nicely. Kitty, I said 64 for you. Aapka number 64. If it's not 64, then tell me what number it is and I'll do it again. Simi Seni, 8 for your daughter. Manshika, beautiful name, Simi. 8, all right. 8 is she has the knowledge, but she's not integrating the knowledge she has. So tell her to start implementing. Aata sab kuch hai, school mein jaake likh ke nahi aati. So tell her not to do that. Tell her to just be a little more meticulous and a little more diligent in everything she does. Miss Khanna, 8 for your son. All right. Your son is again in the same place. He knows everything. He has the past, but he's not utilizing it. He needs to let the world know what he knows. Otherwise, it's not going to help. Kaveri, 66 for your husband. Oh, he's in a blissful state, Kaveri. Everything going good. No, nothing to worry, just stay connected. Just tell him that stay connected to your inner self for guidance. That's the best place for him. Vandana Khanna, 27, future. Vandana, I'm not doing future readings. I'm just telling you what your soul has to say for you. Rakhi Baba, 68 for your son. I told you he's in a very beautiful place. He's doing very, very well for himself. And huge changes coming his way, all for the good. Simi, 28 for your daughter. I think I just did for your daughter on a different number. It's not going to help if you do multiple numbers for your children. Just do one and it'll help you. Your daughter is a religious soul. She recognizes her true self, which is a lovely place. And she is evolving. And she'll do very, very well for herself. Nilima, 26 for your husband. All right, 26. 26 is about... he is in a temporary state of sorrow for some reason. That means he's not able to express. He's feeling unworthy. And there's some inner pain which he needs to let go of. And everything will be okay. Mini Chaudhary, number 10 for you. Ye purification Shuddhi ki jagah hai. And he need to let go of some laziness, some lethargy or inertia that's got into him. So and he will do very, very well. But you need to get over that lethargy. Shilpa, there was some Shilpa number 29. Sorry, I missed out. You can post again, please. Mini, 10. I think I did yours, Mini, just now. Manshika. Sunaina, 67. All right, Sunaina, this one's for you. Oh, you're in a good space, Sunaina. You know about the crystals you're asking me. Anyway, it says you're in a good place, but you need to destroy this false identity you have created around yourself. The image that you've created, that's not really you, maybe, Sunaina. So your soul's telling you, think that through, and you'll do even more wonderful. You're absolutely wonderful. Otherwise, I'm sure you'll do even better if you break through that. breakthrough is a good place and a good space to be in. Vandana Khanna, 27. Vandana Khanna, 27 for you. 27 is asking you for selfless devotion. सेवा कीजिए, नाम के लिए नहीं. सेवा मतलब कहीं पर आप जाके किसी ओल्ड एज होम में, किसी ऑर्फनेज में, किसी ब्लाइंड स्कूल में जाके अपना सेवा कीजिए, and it will help you. Ruchi, 25 for your son. All right, Ruchi, let's see what... he's in a good space, Ruchi. He's aware of the company he keeps. He's got a lot of compassion and trust. He's in a good space. He walks the path of dharma, so he's doing well. Don't worry about him. He's doing very, very well for himself. Simran Sanyal, 22 for you. All right, Simran. आप सुधर्म की जगह पे हो, which is very, very nice. आप धर्म की जगह पे हो. There's a lot of intellect, but don't get carried away. Don't let... क्योंकि जब हम अच्छे स्पेस में होते हैं तो हम अपने आसपास एक बहुत बड़ा ईगो क्रिएट कर लेते हैं, which brings our downfall. So don't let that happen. You're a lovely place, dear. Ruchi Pramod, 25 for your son. He's in good company. I think I just did yours. All right, Seema Baba, 11 for you. Seema, you're in a place of rest and recoup, of entertainment. So pick up a hobby. Do things beyond your work. You need to take a break from life's been too tough maybe. So you need to take a break and rest, and you'll do well. Gayatri Gulati, 27 for your husband. 27. All right, Gayatri, let's see what the chart has to say for you. It's asking for selfless love and dedication. Your husband needs to start doing some seva somewhere, in an old age home, in a blind school, somewhere like that. थोड़ा सा पैसा नहीं, सबको थोड़ा सा जाके वक्त देना पड़ेगा. अगर वो करेंगे तो things will change. Neetal, 55 for your husband. All right, 55 is about somewhere his ego is bringing him down, so he's losing sight of the values. He's a good guy, everything going right, but somewhere जब सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा चल रहा होता है, we tend to get a little egoistic. So he's in that space, and so tell him to stay in a lot of awareness instead. Divya Kanta, 52 for you. All right, Divya Kanta, let's see what 52 has to say for you. आप में आपके अंदर कुछ बहुत सारा दबा हुआ एंगर और वायलेंस है, दिव्या, for some reason. So seek the spiritual path of devotion and see where and why you've gone wrong. Sunita Hudda, 65 for you. Sunita, 65 is a lovely place to be in. You're becoming one with the Supreme Being, so you're doing good. Enjoy the space. Don't ask too many questions. You're good to go, darling. Neelam Patyal, 33 आपके लिए. 33 Neelam is about fragrance. Oh, it's a beautiful. I love this box. It's about elimination of the bad. So आपके साथ बहुत कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. आपकी जो fragrance है, आपका जो यश है वो बहुत दूर तक फैलने वाला है. Whatever you're doing, keep doing. You're in a good space to be in. Neeti Aurora Kharbanda, 69 for you. You're in an absolute space, which is extremely nice. You have achieved a lot, Neeti, and you are in an extremely creative place. Live in the truth. Be merciful. Don't let that go out. Otherwise, it shall cause problems. Thank you. Sonali, 10 for your son. All right. Your son needs to let go of a little bit of laziness and dullness that is in him. He needs to increase his vibration. सब कुछ आता है लेकिन कुछ करना नहीं चाहता है. So he needs to get out of that space. Tell him to get going. Preeti Sekri, 32 for you. 32 is about balance, Preeti. So that's a lovely place. You're in the place of the heart chakra, the plane of the devas. So full of love, doing very well. Just continue what you're doing. Anita Manhas, 49 for you. 49 is about the lunar plane. We have the hot and the cold, right? So there's a lot of pranic energy flowing. you are reaching a very beautiful level of awakening. Your spiritual path, just keep going. Isha Arora, we don't have anything that is 86. The numbers have to be below 72, and only then can I do a reading for you. Neetal Raizada, I did yours. How do we come up with this number that you're asking for? Simran, you need to just take 2 minutes, pray. I did a little meditation in case you've missed that out. You need to look inwards and ask your soul for a number between 1 to 72, and then I'm able to give you what your soul has to say for you. You have to come up with that number, dear. I think I have covered. Are there any more left that I missed out on? Neeti Arora Kharbanda. Neeti, I can't tell you about business. Your business is in a good place. You need to live in, you need to be a little aware of what you all are doing. बहुत सारे assets हैं आपके business में, बहुत अच्छी जगह पे है, बहुत सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है, but वो जब बहुत अच्छा होता है ना, you tend to get lax, वो मत कीजिए. Thank you, Simi. Thank you. You're most welcome. Thank you for being here with me. Rakhi Bava, 53, for your youngest son. All right, Rakhi, your son is in a very free-flowing state. उसको जो बोलता है वो उसी तरफ चल देता है. He wants to travel and he's very accommodating as a child. But he has travel coming up. So let him just go with the flow. It's good for him. Anybody else that I missed out on? All right. I didn't realize there were so many below. Preeti Sekri, 15, for your son. Swati, I'll just come to you. Give me a minute. Preeti Sekri, what was that? 15 for your son. Preeti, 15. He's living in a fantasy world. He's getting new ideas, but he's wasting his time there. He needs to get going. At his age, he can't just make castles in the air. He needs to move. He needs to get out of this fantasy world. So just tell him to start working hard. Swati, I've done for your daughter. Man, 13 for my brother Ashutosh. No, dear, this is a soul journey. I cannot do it for your family members other than your spouse and your children, because you need to take permission from your brother for that. Pragya Seni, number 2 for you. Pragya, you're living in a make-believe world of illusions. Maya hai aapke andar. I, me, myself mein जी रहे हो, my dear. थोड़ी सी इस सब को I, me, myself को छोड़कर आगे बढ़ो and see how your life changes. आस्था पावा 36. आस्था, आपके पास आपको क्लैरिटी चाहिए जो आपको मिलने वाली है, and then you know that which path you want to take, what path you want. Connect with your inner self. You know it, it's inside you. You will know what path you want to follow. आप कहीं पर confused हो and उसका answer भी आपको अपने अंदर ही मिलेगा. Niyati Basu Lodha, number 29 for you. Niyati, आप कहीं पर थोड़े से अधार्मिक हुए हो, टेंशन में हो, distracted हो. You're living in blind faith. You're working on false faith. Don't do that, my dear. You need to work. सोचो, समझो और फिर करो. And see how it changes for you. Minnie Chaudhary, 22 for your twins. Oh, how lovely. Twins is something I always wanted, Minnie. But mine are 7 years apart, so didn't experience the twinship at all. 22 is for your twins, all right. They are good children. Nothing to worry about. They are on the right path, doing well. They're living a righteous life. You need not worry about them at all, Minnie. They're doing very, very well for themselves. Richa Dhaya Sangwan, 7 for your son. आपने शायद उसको बहुत कुछ दे रखा है, ओवर पैम्पर्ड, सो थोड़ा सा उसको उस पैम्परिंग में से बाहर निकालो. इफ़ यू वांट हिम टू डू उसको, let him do things for himself. Don't over pamper him. It's not good for him. Vandana Khanna, 38 for your daughter. Vandana, 38 for your daughter. She's full of life energy and maintains a beautiful balance. You need not worry. She's in awareness of what she's doing. Vaishali Arora, 9 for you. Vaishali, 9 is about the central plane. आप अभी भी काम क्रोध मोह लोभ वाले स्टेट में हो, तो थोड़ा सा अपने आप को रेक्टिफाई करो. We all need to get out of that space. Minnie, I've done yours. Mona Seni, I missed you. Sorry, okay, dear. If I missed you, your number is 4. All right. You want more of everything for some reason, Mona. So, thoda sa careful. There seems to be too much that you want to acquire. आपको physical possessions, materialistic possessions का बहुत शौक है. थोड़ा सा calm down a little and think long term. Materialistic gains don't take you very far in night. It's the spiritual gains that take you far. So work on that. They'll help you grow further. Richa Dhaiya Sangwan, number 9 for your son. आपके बेटे में थोड़ा एंगर और अहंकार ज़्यादा है. थोड़ा सा उसको हेल्प कीजिए टू ग्रो outgrow it. It never helps to have anger within you or too much pride within you. So Richa, help him work on that. All right, let me see now. I can't make out. No, Pragya, I can't do a reading for your mom. I can only do it for your children and your husband. Ratanmala, 7 for you. All right, Ratanmala. 7, Ratanmala. कहीं पर आप में power का नशा है. I don't know what you do, but don't get overtaken. Maybe it's a lot of money. You are in a place where there's some kind of conceit inside you, or your soul feels that, so you need to get over that conceit and move higher. Work on your root chakra, my dear. Does it roll back? Neeti Arora, 1 for your husband. All right. Anybody else that I've missed out on? If you could just post your numbers. I'm getting a little lost here. Sunita Hudda, 10 for your daughter. Sunita, your daughter is she needs to let go of her laziness. Kahin par she is not letting, she's getting a little lazy. Maybe you're pampering her too much. So you need to tell her to get going and let her do things for herself if you want her to do well in life. Vandana Khanna, 7, Adish. All right. उसको भी आपने बहुत pamper करके, is he your only son? So just don't over pamper him. Because sometimes we tend to do that and it's not the child's fault. Thank you so much. Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else here? Priyanka Sankalp, ma'am, you missed me. Okay, sorry, a few times. Sorry, Priya Sankalp. All right, sorry, dear. Number 12 for you. All right. Priya, you are envious of something. There's a lack of confidence within you. Don't let that hamper you. आपको थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है और थोड़ा सा डोनेशन करो. It will help you grow in life. All right? Just do some charity. Minakshi Bish, 26 for your son. 26 is about he's feeling a little unworthy for some reason, and he needs to let go of some pain there's something that's bothering him. Speak to him and find out what it is. It's not nice for children to let such kind of things manifest inside them. Shivani Singh, I'm sorry if I missed you. Could you just post your number again and I'll just go through it. Swati Kumar, 16. Swati Kumar, 16 is jealousy. You're letting yourself get intoxicated by jealousy. Though jealousy is not always bad, it's telling you what you want. So work hard and achieve what you want instead of feeling jealous, and that's going to help you better. Vandana Khanna, 20 for your husband Sunil. 20 is about charity. उनको बोलो थोड़ा सा डोनेशन करेंगे, सारा पैसा अपने लिए नहीं, थोड़ा सा दान पुण्य भी करेंगे, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. He'll be in a good space. All he needs to do is do some charity. 16, Richa, for your husband. 16 is about jealousy and he needs to overcome. He's a little intoxicated with himself. कुछ उनको लगता है, उनको थोड़ा सा अपना confidence भी लो हो गया उसकी वजह से. So tell him to do that. Get his confidence back. Work on that. Swati Kumar. Swati, आपका नंबर मुझे दीजिए, and I'm sorry because these go so quickly. कि नहीं पता चल रहा है, तो आप अपना नंबर दो एंड आई विल जस्ट डू द रीडिंग. Vandana Behel at 30. Vandana Behel, that's a lovely place to be in. Good vibrations, all going well, don't worry. Full of harmony, growth, everything. You're in the flow, so it's all right. Your husband's doing very well. Seema Baba, 45 for your daughter. 45 is about resurrection. तो कोई चीज़ों का end होके she will do very well. New beginnings, new guru, new growth, everything new, something new is coming her way. Vandana Khanna, 25 for you. Vandana Khanna, you're in good company. Trust your decisions and follow the path of dharma. That's all you need to do. You're in a good space, don't worry. Preeti, 25 is a good space to be in. Vandana Neeti, 1 means growth, genesis, new birth, so new beginnings for your husband. Sunita Hudda, 8 for your son. 8 is about, he's full of pride, he's got the knowledge but he's not utilizing him. Tell him to start doing that and he'll do well. Ratanmala, 7 for you. Ratanmala, आपको किसी चीज़ का पावर का नशा, आप क्या सोच रहे हो? Don't let that, don't be conceited in life. It doesn't help, you need to get over. These are these are the qualities that we all need to get over, so there's nothing to feel bad. Richa Dhaya Sangwan, thanks a lot for the reading. Thank you so much, Richa, for joining me. Thank you, Nilima. Thank you, Manat. Thanks, Sonali, for being here with me. Pranay Seni, 11 for you. Pranay, आप अपनी जीवन में बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट में टाइम लगा रहे हो, कहीं पर आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है. आप शायद बहुत सारा टाइम फेसबुक पे और उस पर वेस्ट कर रहे हो. डोंट डू दैट बच्चे. यू नीड टू वर्क अ लिटिल हार्ड and get out of this entertainment zone if you want to achieve something in life. Missed my Shivani, 11 for your daughter. Happy Mother's Day to you too, Nilima. Shivani, 11 for your elder son. All right, Shivani, your elder son is in a place of enjoyment. He needs to pick up a hobby, but he also needs to get his act together. Don't let him just squander time away. So Shivani, this was for your son at number 11. Vandana Khanna, 8. Raksha, 8 is integration of knowledge is required. The knowledge is there, but उसको utilize नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा वो करिए. Thank you, Sonali. Means a lot coming from you. I hope we got Drish's reading right. Rakhi Bava, 26 for your husband. Rakhi, 26 is about sorrow. कहीं पर वो अपने अंदर कुछ feeling of unworth दबा के बैठे हुए हैं. Talk to him, tell him to let go. If something bad has happened in the past, it's all right. We all go through bad experiences. They are our life lessons. So let's just move on from there. Let that not bog him down. So I think I've covered most of you. Thank you so much for being a part of this session. Thank you so much, Minnie, for giving me this opportunity. Have I missed out anybody? All right, one last one way for you, Vandana. For 4, Swadesh, mom. Darling, I can't do it for your mom. I need to do it only for your children or your husband. We need to check with your mom if she's willing. If she's willing, and those who want the soul journey done, you can get in touch with me. My number is 8447319027, and I can do a full session of the soul journey for you, which covers your entire life. Kittu Garewal, 45. 45 is about knowledge. Kittu, you have a lot of that. You understand, but you need to, the universe is calling out to you. Just put that knowledge to good use now. Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much for being here. Neeti, 1 for your husband. All right, there are new beginnings for your husband, Neeti. Resurrection, rebirth, new business, new whatever he wants to do will happen. The old is coming to an end, or maybe new job, or maybe you want to move somewhere. That's going to happen very soon. Ratanmala, 29 for your elder daughter. All right, Ratanmala, let's see. थोड़ी सी वो टेंशन में और distracted रहती है for some reason. तो पता लगाओ please. She has some false faith. Why is she fine doing that? थोड़ा सा talk to your daughter and find out what's wrong. You can get in touch with me later. Welcome, Kitu. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Mridula. Thank you so much for having me here. All those who missed out on can post your numbers here, and I'll get back to you with the answers in a couple of days. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of this session. Honored. And thank you, Minnie, for having me here. Thank you, Shivani Singh. 8 for your Shivani. You can just leave the numbers here. All right. Okay, I'll do this last one for you because it's for your son. इसमें नॉलेज है लेकिन वो यूज़ नहीं कर रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है सब बच्चे थोड़े से लेज़ी हो गए हैं. सबके लिए यही नारा है बार बार. दे नो. Thank you, Neeti. I'm honored that you feel that whatever I said for your husband is true. Yes, he's retiring. Okay, so new beginnings. Yes, you know, the soul journey works beautifully because this is one thing you can check back. It's not about predictions. जब मैं soul journey आपके लिए read करूँगी तो you'll be able to match till your present age. You'll know whatever I've said, whether it's right or wrong. And believe me, it is always right. Once you achieve that age at 50 or 55, you know that if I've traced 55 years of your life and got them right, आगे के 30 साल तो हम ठीक निकाल ही लेंगे. So it's a beautiful, the Mokshpatam works beautifully. I resonate with it completely. And if you all want complete soul journey readings done, then get in touch with me. And it tells you what path to take in life. It's a beautiful divination tool. I'm enjoying using it. I hope you all enjoy the reading. Maybe I'll come back another day and do some more readings for all of you. Mannat Sodi, all right. If you don't let me go, sorry, what was your number? 62. Mannat, 62 is a good place to be in. And 62 is all happiness, wisdom. Just learn to discern between the good and the bad. Don't get too carried away with the emotions there. Thank you, Ratnmala. Thank you. Bless you and God be with you too, dear. Buddha blessings. Thank you so much. Sakshi Arora. 6 for your elder son and 15 for your younger son. Oh, thank you so much, Dad. You're still here. Thank you so much. आप सोए नहीं. 6 for your elder son. 6 is वो थोड़ा सा डिल्यूजन में जी रहा है. उसको थोड़ी सी अपने लिए मेहनत करने दीजिए. बड़ा वाला थोड़ा सा सेंसिबल है, क्रिएटिविटी में है, लेकिन वो अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है. उसको बोलो थोड़ा मेहनत करो, नहीं तो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स होने वाले हैं और he's going to be going into one of the board classes, so just tell him to work a little harder. Don't flit away his time. Sanjita Jambal, 16 for your husband. He is very high on ego, sorry to say, and there seems to be a lack of self. जब हम किसी चीज़ पे हार जाते हैं, we have one of these, that means कहीं पर कुछ कमी है. So talk to him, find out what it is. If you want, you can get back to me and we can work on his soul journey, find out why he is feeling like this. We can work it out and find an answer for that. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. It's been wonderful, an hour plus now. And I'll get back to you one of these again and we'll do these readings. Thank you so much. Buddha bless. Thank you so much, Minnie, for giving me this opportunity. Mridula, thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Maya Alfred, for your mental health. Okay, I'll take this last one before I go, Maya. You're in a good space, Maya. Why do you think that you have a mental issue? No, you don't. It's self-created. आप बिल्कुल अच्छी जगह में हो, बिल्कुल ठीक हो. Stop thinking like this. Don't worry. Everything's okay. Sneha Tapia, 35. Sneha Tapia, आपने अपने आप को खुद ही कुछ बंधनों में जकड़ा हुआ है. आप उसको छोड़ दीजिए. You don't have health issues. You have created so much stress in your mind that you think that you're tied down. You have the space. Go fly. The sky is yours to fly. Don't worry, Sneha. You can message me at 8447319027 and we can do a reading for you. And similarly for my friend Maya, who you don't have mental issues, Maya, get back to me and we'll do a proper soul journey for you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sanjita. Thank you. Sakshi Arora, you missed that. What did I miss, darling? Thanks, Mridula. Thank you. All the love to you. Thank you.